Shania, Dominic, Lakshmi Nanda, Said, Shektra. All of you turn on your video. Okay, children. So last class we have completed till the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. See, children, after the fall of the Jacobean government, Directory ruled over France. Okay, what do you mean by a directory?
Five
What do you
men
mean by
ruling.
a directory?
5 men ruling.
Ma'am, in directory, there are two. The government is run by two legislative.
Oh, yes. The electors will choose the members of the Legislative Council, and Legislative Council would appoint a 5-men committee, an executive committee of 5 members. Okay, that is called a directory. Is it clear, children? See,
Yes,
children,
ma'am.
when I look over here on the screen, most of the videos are off. Only a few children they turn on their video and was sitting. All others, see, while I was asking, means when I ask you that time only they will turn on their video, and rest of the time, why you people are hiding there? Syed, what is your problem? Is there any network issue, Syed? Now it's okay, almost all, but still some are there. Dominic, I never have seen the face of Dominic. Can you please just turn on your video, Dominic? Yeah, first time. Hi. Never he seems to turn on his video, Bastin. Then the other one, Saul. Yes, yes, yes. You, some people are here, but I never seen your face, so that I'm calling you. Karthik. Okay. So children, after when the fall of Jacobean government, a new directory was ruled over France, okay, for a term of 4 years, but it was also not satisfactory, okay, because these executive committee and the legislative council, okay, were often clash with each other, okay, and so it led to political instability. What do you mean by political instability? There was no strong government in France. Okay, there was no stable government in France. Okay, so it gave rise to the power of the Napoleon Bonaparte. Okay, he seized the power of France in the year 1799. Okay, and he established a government in France. Okay, and he was a military commander, and he set out set out an expedition to conquer the neighboring European countries. Okay, and he won. Okay, he was means many of the European countries was under his control. Okay, but he was defeated. Which battle?
Waterloo.
Yes. Okay, he was defeated in the Battle of Waterloo. Okay, and so this was the period, means the revolution was over in France. Napoleon at first, initially, the whole people of France welcome Napoleon. Okay, because because the people of France thought that a strong leader is needed for them. Okay, but soon after he acted as an invader. He attacked many of the European countries, and he brought many countries under his control, but he was defeated at the Battle of Waterloo. Okay, and soon after, the means the revolution in France was over, with the reign of uh, Napoleon Bonaparte. Okay, so see children, About Napoleon, we have discussed about him. He was all of the means people in France viewed him as a liberator. Okay, liberator, that means he would bring freedom to all people of France. Okay, and also he introduced many important measures. He introduced many important measures and device means that is decimal, okay, and all decimal systems and all. But he was defeated by the allied forces of Austria and other British countries. Okay, and Waterloo. Okay, so now we have to means we have to study means there are two more units in this chapter. That is, did woman have a revolution? Okay, see children, we know that the condition of women were not satisfactory here in France. Okay, see, the women, they were working, means they were not allowed for education. Okay, and they were working hard for the family. And even if they were working, okay, they were working means that they were working as domestic servants of the prosperous people. Domestic servants means as maid. Okay, and these people, these women were not allowed for education. They were not even sent to the schools, and only the women means only the girls from the richer members. That means the nobles and the clergy were sent to school in the convents. In convents. Okay, but after when their primary education, after when their education is completed, they were get to marry. They were forced to marry. Okay, so the condition of women in France was not satisfactory. And even they were working, they were paid very low than men. Okay, the both the men, uh, okay, Melita. Okay, so if the men means if even if the women were working, they were not paid like the men. They were paid very low comparatively with the men. Okay, so that was the condition of the woman in France. Okay, but these women, okay, then the women were just tried to do something against all this problem. Okay, and they also started to form political clubs. Okay, we have discussed about the Jacobins. Okay, it was a political club formed by the men. Okay, so the women also, they were started to form political clubs, and also they were started to means do newspapers. Okay, because they thought that they need their rights. They needed to their right also needed to be protected. Okay, so now we are going to study the condition of woman in France. Just listen to me. So the condition of woman was not satisfactory. Okay, they were working. Most of the women of the third estate, they need to work for their living, and they worked as seamstresses. Okay, and domestic servants, and most of the women do not have access to education. This working woman also need to work for their means had to they need to care for their family, that is cook, fetch water, queue up for bread and all. told you, the condition of women were not satisfactory. Okay, most of the women were working means they were employed as domestic servants, as maid. Okay, they sold fruits, vegetables, etc. in the market. Okay, and these most of the women were not having access to the education. They were not being sent to the schools. Okay, and working woman, they need to care their family also, because they needed to means cook, fetch water, and also queue up for means before the library for bread, and look after their children. And but their wages was lower than those of the men. Okay, they were getting very low wages. Okay, so the women of France, okay, they were started to form political clubs. And one of the famous political club, it is very important, children, the Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women was one of the famous political club formed by the women. Society of many political clubs were formed during this time by the women. Okay, and one of the famous club was the Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women, was one of the famous political club, woman club. And they demanded many things. Okay, they demanded equal political right as men, because do you remember, children, the constitution of 1791 regarded the woman as passive citizen. What do you mean by passive citizen? They were not allowed to vote. Do you remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, the women do not have the voting chance. Okay, so these political clubs demanded the same political club as political right as men. They demanded the right to vote. Okay, and they wanted to elect to the assembly. They wanted to be as a legislative member. Okay, and they also demanded to create state schools by the government, and to make education compulsory for girls. All these were the demands of these political clubs of women. Okay, so in order to discuss and voice their interest, women started to form their political clubs and newspapers. The Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women was the most famous among them. See, children, this is very important. The Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women was the most famous political club formed by the women, and they demanded, okay, many means they demanded many things. Okay, and their main demand, okay, one of the main demand of this women's club was, okay, they wanted to enjoy the same political right as men. And they demanded the right to vote, because the constitution of 1791 has regarded them as passive citizens. They were not allowed to vote. Okay, so they were not happy with the constitution of 1791, so they demanded the right to vote, and they all wanted to be elected to the assembly and to hold political offices. And also they demanded to create state school, because most of the women, okay, most of the girls, they do not have access to education. Okay, so they demanded to create state schools and to make education compulsory for girls. Okay, they demanded the compulsory education for girls. Children, is it clear to you? The role means, did the women have a revolution? That is the topic, topic or the title of the unit. Okay, see, children, the woman, the condition of woman, okay, of France was not satisfactory. Okay, they were regarded as passive citizen. They were not allowed to vote. Okay, and most of the women from the third estate, that we know that the third estate members, they were poor people, right? They were financially, they were very poor. Okay, so the most of the women from the third estate, they were working as seamstress, okay, laundress, and also they means used to sell the fruits and vegetables. Okay, and some women, they were working as domestic servants, as servants in the prosperous people. Okay, and the houses of the prosperous people, they were working as domestic servants. Okay, so that was the condition of the women's in France. Okay, women in France, and so they were not happy with their situation, and even they were working after this working woman, they need to work, means they need to take care about their family also. That is common, right? Because they need to fetch water, they need to means cook, and also they need to queue in the long, means the long queue before the bakeries and all. Okay, and comparatively they are getting very low wages. Okay, see children,
Some of the women were seen.
yeah, most of the women's condition was not happy because they were working, means most of the women in the third estate, okay, third estate, they were less prosperous people, they were working as servants, and also they sell fruits and vegetables in the market, and they were working as seamstress and all. Okay, and even they were, means most of the women, they were not have access to the education. Okay, and only the members, only the women of nobles, means the richer family, they will, means they will study. Okay, they will be educated in convent, but after when their education it is completed, they will get to marry. Okay, and even they were working, they were paying very low. Okay, their wages was very low. Okay, so that was the condition of women's in France, and they were, okay, to discuss, okay, to discuss their problems, they also started to form many political clubs and newspapers. Okay, and which was the most important successful or political club formed by the woman? Hmm?
Society of Revolution and Republic.
Revolutionary and
Republic.
Republican woman. Okay, was the one of the most successful club formed by the woman. Okay, and what was their demands?
Political rights or
They
equal to
demanded
men.
same political right as men, because the Constitution of 1791, okay, has regarded them as passive citizens. Okay, so they demanded same political right as men.
Ma'am, your
That
voice
was
is
their first
breaking
demand.
sometimes.
Second one,
Right to vote.
yes, right to vote. Okay, they were regarded as passive, no, passive citizens, and they have no voting chance. So they demanded, the women demanded the right to vote. Then, hmm, what was the other demand, children?
To be elected to the assembly.
Ah, yes. They wanted to elect to the legislative assembly. They wanted to hold political offices. Okay, they wanted to hold political offices. Okay, and also they demanded to create, means the creation of state school and schooling. Okay, schooling was, it was to be made compulsory for the girls. Compulsory education they demanded. Compulsory education for the girls they demanded. Okay, so these all are the demands of the political clubs. Okay, by the women's. Clear, children? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am.
then the next point. Okay, so after when, okay, after when the demanded some things like this, okay, the revolutionary government introduced some laws. Okay, See, the first one is the schooling was made compulsory for all girls. Okay, schooling was that I didn't written over here. Schooling was compulsory. And girls should not be forced to marry against their will. Okay, girls, they should not be forced to marry. Okay, against their will. And marriage was made means registered under civil law. Marriages was to be registered under civil law, and divorce was made legal if they were not satisfied with their partner. They can seek for divorce. Okay, and women's okay needed means they needed training for jobs and to run businesses. Okay, so in the early years, the revolutionary government introduced laws that helped to improve the life of women. Okay, schooling was made compulsory for all girls, and their father, okay, could no longer force them into marriages. Okay, against their will, divorce was made legal, and women could now train for jobs, could become artists or run small businesses. Okay, okay. So even though they struggled a lot, okay, they have demanded many things, and the revolutionary government has introduced some laws for the benefit of the woman, and this was schooling was made compulsory. Girls should not be forced to marry against their will. That means if they were not interested for marriages, their fathers could no longer force them. Okay, then marriage was registered under civil law. Okay, all marriages want to be registered under civil law, and divorce was made legal, and the woman needed training for jobs. They were given some training for jobs, and they could do any small jobs. They can become artists, okay, or they can run some small business and all. But still, it was not satisfactory. Women's movement continued for next 200 years for voting rights and equal wages. See, children, they have got the chance to vote only in the year 1946. Please note it down. In the year 1946, children, sorry for the network issue. Okay, sorry. Because... Okay, children, am I audible?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the woman, okay, they were started to form political clubs and newspapers. Okay, they demanded their, means they demanded many things. Okay, before the government, but the revolutionary government has introduced some laws to improve their lives. Okay, that is the marriage. Okay, means the fathers, the parents do not force a girl means for a marriage against their will. Divorce was made legal. Okay, and marriage need to come under the civil law. Okay, so some laws has made by the revolutionary government to improve the life of the woman. Okay, but still they have means struggled a lot. Okay, and also under the Jacobins, when the Jacobins were in power, most of the women leaders were arrested and imprisoned. Okay, they were asked to close, means shut down the political clubs. Okay, so the political clubs has no freedom under the Jacobins. Okay, and they struggled almost 200 years. Okay, to get equal, means equal freedom, means to equal wages, and also the right to vote. Okay, and only in the year 1946 the woman in France has got the chance to vote. Okay, children, is it clear to you? Is these points are clear? It's very simple, right? See, the
Yes,
condition of
ma'am.
women were not at all happy. They were working. The most of the women from the third estate, they were working hard for their family. They were working as seamstress, and they used to sell the fruits and vegetables in the market. Even some of them are working as the domestic servants. Okay, and they were, means they need to work for their family, and also they need to take care of their family. Also they need to cook, they need to fetch water, they need to stand in long queues before the bakery and all. Okay, and even the woman they were working, they were paying, means their wages was very low. They were paying very low wages. Their salary was not good. Okay, as men. Okay, so in order to discuss all these all their problems, the women were started to form political clubs. Okay, and they demanded many things. Okay, they demanded compulsory education for girls. Okay, they demanded equal right, equal political right as men. They demanded right to vote. Okay, and soon after, the revolutionary government introduced some laws. That is very important, children. Which all laws was introduced by the revolutionary government? That is, the schooling was made compulsory. Girls should not be forced to marry. Marriage was registered under civil law. Divorce was made legal. Okay, and they were given, the women's given training for jobs and to run businesses. Okay, now they were working as artists, and they were, started to run small businesses. Okay, and but the women's movement continued for next 200 years for voting rights and equal wages, and only in the year 1946 the women of France got the voting chance. And during the reign of terror, that means during Jacobins, the new government issued laws ordering the closure of women's club and banning their political activities. Many prominent women were arrested, and a number of them were executed. And we need to discuss about a woman and a feminist. What do you mean by feminist, children? Feminist, have you heard this term?
Male social work.
Social worker, who means feminism. Have you heard about feminism?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what is it? Girls, can you tell me? You haven't heard about feminist? Please respond. Anjali,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me? Feminism or feminist. Have you heard this term?
Yes,
What is it about?
ma'am. Those who don't believe in God.
No. Female means feminism means that one who is protesting for the women's. Okay, those who are demanding equal right with the men. Do you understand? Okay, that you meant
Yes,
by feminism. Feminist means that a lady who is demanding equal right with the men. Okay, so here, children, this lady, her full name is Olympe Digos. Very important. Olympe Digos. Okay, it is given in the textbook in a small box. Was one of the most important active women in the revolutionary France. Okay, she is considered a feminist pioneer. Pioneer means those who means the first time this feminist feeling has given among the minds of the women. Okay, Olympe Digos. See, children, this spelling anyway you need to study it by heart. Okay, Olympe Digos. Okay, she is a feminist. She was a feminist, and her most famous work was the Declaration of the Rights of Women in the year 1791. Please note it down, children. Olympe Digos was one of the most important lady or woman. Okay, she protested against the constitution and the declaration of right of man and citizen, and she wrote a declaration of the right of woman and citizen in the year 1791. And she criticized the Jacobean government for forcibly closing down the women's club, but she was arrested. She was tried by the National Convention and she was executed. Okay, so many political clubs was formed during this time, and Olympe Digos was one of the famous active women in France during this time. Okay, during this period, and her most famous work, she was not happy with the declaration of men and citizen. Okay, after the Constitution of 1791, the declaration of men and citizen. So she have written the Declaration of the Rights of Women in the year 1791. Okay, and the feminist ideas were considered as radical. Okay, and she raised her voice against the Jacobean government because the Jacobean government forced all women's club to shut down. Okay, so she raised her voice against the Jacobean government, and in the year 1793 she was executed. She was hanged to death. She was arrested. She was tried by National Convention and she was executed. So this was the famous lady and France. Active woman. Olympe Digos. And there are some provisions in this Declaration of the Rights of Men, that is all women are born free. Okay, and also they were equal to men. they need liberty, equality, and fraternity. Okay. Then many points are there in her famous work. Okay, but her ideas was not accepted by the people, and she was executed in the year 1793. Okay, children, even though the revolutionary government has introduced some laws, but still the women, they need to struggle. Okay, they need to struggle for long years to get equal wages and the voting chance. Which year they have got the chance to vote? 1946. Okay, in the year 1946 only, the woman in France has got the chance to vote. Okay, and the famous active feminist, okay, active woman in France during the revolutionary government was Olympe de Gouges. Okay, what was her work? The Declaration of the Right of a Woman. Okay, the Declaration of Woman and Citizen. Okay, woman and citizen, and she was an active feminist. Okay, she raised her voice against the Jacobean government because the Jacobean government, Jacobean government has forced the woman political club to shut down. Okay, but she was executed in the year 1793. Okay, children. So, children, this is the end of the women have a revolution, and we have one more topic. Actually, I thought to finish our portions today. 9 I have completed because there one more unit is there, the abolition of slavery. Okay, because the slavery was in France. What do you mean by slavery, children? Slaves. Have you heard about slaves?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I means the men, means the people are being sent, being sold as slaves. Okay, what is the problem with America? Have you heard about African Americans?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Who were African Americans?
And the
Africans
people who were
America.
taken from Africa to
Yeah. Okay. These people were brought over to America as slaves. Okay. They were really, means their ancestors are really from Africa. Okay. They were being sold by the people over here and they were treated as second person in America, right? Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
here in France also slavery was existed. Okay, that we will discuss on the next class. So I hope next period, means next day, we will complete our portion for the exam. And one more thing I need to tell you, children, when you come for the next class, that means next Wednesday, unit 2, that is the outbreak of the revolution. The first unit we can exclude for the portion is the outbreak of the revolution. Study that unit. Okay, the outbreak of the revolution, that unit that is about the National Convention, then active and passive citizen, and also the symbols, the political symbols. Okay, that all you study. When you come for the next class, I will take a test. Okay, and today I will send the notes of this unit, that is the women's have a revolution or a note, and also the notes of the next unit also I have included in that one. You just take a printout and just go through the notes. I will explain about this slavery, abolition of slavery and all in the next class. Okay, children?
Ma'am, when we'll get our
When?
we'll get our timetable.
Yeah, next week, because October 5th only we are starting our MCQ2. Okay, October 5th, that means next month. Okay, so from next week onwards we will start our revision. Be serious about your revision because there are many portions for you this time. I know that it is very tough, but you need to follow that. Okay, so next, be serious about your revision, study properly, read the textbook, and go through many. I mean, when you Google, you will get many MCQs and all. Okay, just go through that questions. Okay, and also chapter summary, which I was sent to the WhatsApp. Okay, children. Bye.
Thank
See
you,
you all
ma'am.
in the next time.